and my friend is there. I am waiting him. You can see that surrounding it is fully. I was thinking that today's video will be not much more exciting, but yes, as you are watching that through the window, sunlight is coming. I might not be here for whole life. I might be here for nearly about 2 to 3 months or 4 months or 5 months. After that, I will leave this place. But the experience, the beauty of this place, which I am experiencing right now, when it is morning, then the sunlight is coming inside this room. This is a beautiful feeling, and this will be the memorable thing whenever I will leave this place. Every room has its uniqueness. So this room uniqueness is that the sunlight is coming, and this is the best part of the life. Wherever, whenever you are living, when the sunlight is coming, the daytime, the morning sunlight is coming, then it also eradicated the negative energy inside the room. It also rectify the vastu dosha of your house. So try to add this thing in your life, or just add this sunlight, or try to create some kind of situation so that the sunlight can enter into your room. In this way, the negative energy can be eradicated. Along with, I have shown you the yesterday video. It was fully pleasurable, enjoyable thing. And I add another thing is that today's video will be uploaded tomorrow. As because whenever I just completed all these things and do the editing and doing the uploading, so it is taking a long time. In the morning time, the net was so speed, that's why the uploading speed also easily possible. But at the evening time, it is taking much more time, nearly about 1 hour. So I have to wait for this. That's why I decided that I will upload this video tomorrow. Yesterday video will be uploaded today, and today's video right now I'm speaking this. So this video will be uploaded tomorrow. So stay connected and see you in the next clip. I with my friend are visiting here. This is the place near Nandigoose TV, and my friend is there. I am waiting him. When he will come, then I first entering petrol in the tanky, then we will start our journey, because there is no any finalization where we are going today. But the weather is so beautiful, because some cyclone is coming, I think. That's why we have to give. You can see that surrounding it is fully full of nature and natural beauty, and you can see the sky. See the sky, it is totally cloudy time. Oh, hi, this is the last clip of this day. So today I don't have any kind of special thing. My friend came today, so we are going both to some place, and by sitting and just gossiping. Along with, it was raining also today. That's why we are unable to go anywhere, and do anything else. That's why there is nothing, any kind of special thing in today's video. But one thing, you can see that the match is going on. Here you can see that, as because today is India and India and Sri Lanka match is going on, as the Asia Cup is going on right now. That's why I was watching right now. It is about 11:30 p.m. So still I am watching this match because I am a cricket lover. Most probably there is nothing something important thing in my today's video. And another thing is that from tomorrow I am going to my village. Most probably tomorrow will be a interesting video will be come tomorrow. Along with I am going to college also. After going my college, doing some kind of research work which was pending. After that I will go to the home in the evening, by most probably by the train. Let's see what happened tomorrow, because right now the cyclone is going on. Whether it will be raining or not tomorrow, I don't know. So most probably there is a chances. So stay connected and we will see tomorrow what the thing is going on tomorrow. So in today's video there is nothing so much special. So being sorry, see you tomorrow with the interesting video from tomorrow. Bye bye.
ये आखिरी गेंद 3 रन चाहिए, 2 की मांग है, सुपर ओवर। अरे तीसरा भाग सकते हैं, आपने दूसरे पे टाइप लगा दी और ये हो क्या रहा है? चलिए सुपर ओवर पे रोक दीजिए, मैच हो गया।
I was thinking that today's video will be not much more exciting, but yes, some exciting thing is still exists. That I was watching this match, and finally today's match is tiebreaker. So super over is going to be played in this match. So this is the next level of excitement which I have right now. So I am still waiting for the super over, and when the match will finish, then I will again connect with you. So stay tuned. I was expecting some twist in this match, but unfortunately in 2 runs they lose 2 wickets, which was totally disappointment. I was expecting that if they will hit the 12 or 13 runs, then the contest, the competition will be much more higher level. But unfortunately, everything go in vain. So I am just waiting up for the Indian batting. Then after that we'll think and discuss. It was another twist, but unfortunately the same thing happened. Wahi 2-2. Another chances given to him, because it was expecting that he is out by the caught behind. But unfortunately there is no connection between bat and ball. And when Sanju Samson throw the ball, it hits the wicket. But that was the underarm. That's why it is the dead ball, and in the next ball he just got out, and the interest was totally distant. India won the match, but I am totally disappointed with the game of the Sri Lanka players. I was expecting something much more better because they performed well, but okay. So good night. It is 12:30 a.m. So I have to go to sleep right now, and today, not tomorrow, I have to go to the college. So bye bye. Good night.